Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today we are making Singapore noodles. People have been asking me for this for a long time. Singapore noodles, lovely jubbly. So here we have some vermicelli noodles, and these ones I've just bought from the supermarket. We don't use these in the Chinese takeaway. In fact, I wouldn't recommend buying these because look at this. Look at this. Somebody has tied them up with a bit of string. I don't know why they would do this. They're only making more work for me. Absolutely rubbish. But they actually taste very good. But you have to untie them, and it's really melting my head. So add in some boiling water, and you're just going to sit these in the boiling water for 2 minutes. Give them a quick stir, and then we're going to rinse them under cold water, just like this. Now, after you rinse these under cold water, allow them to dry for 10, 15, even 20 minutes. The drier, the better, because we don't want mushy noodles going into the wok. They're just not going to taste nice and they're going to stick together. Scramble some eggs. This is about 2 eggs. You can use one. I'm very hungry, so I'm using two. So this will only take you all know how to scramble eggs. I was watching a program earlier with somebody making Singapore noodles on YouTube, and he says, "Oh, look at my eggs, they're so nice." They were fucking black. They were burnt, so I don't know what they're so nice about. You don't want them cooked too much, just like this. Take them out of the pot. Doesn't matter if there's a wee tiny bit left. Everything's going back in there. Anyway, add in some oil. Make sure your oil is smoking hot, piping hot in the wok, and then add in your deveined prawns. A disgusting process. I absolutely hate deveining prawns. Can I just give a shout out when I'm here to my new members? I got 5 new members last week. Andrew Lehman, Lucy Kinsman, Connor Farrington, Donna Bear, and Jim McCann. Does anyone want to become my 10th member? I'm going to pick one of my members and I'm going to actually land at their door. I don't care what country they live in, if it's Australia or Hong Kong or America, anywhere, and I'm going to cook. I will bring the food and cook it for you in your house as long as you have the beer and the wine and everything else. I might not leave your house, but that's your problem. So add in your onions, red peppers, this is ham, into your wok. This dish is supposed to have chicken. I had chicken, but the dog has run away with the chicken. Does anyone know my dog would get food poisoning eating raw chicken? Somebody check that out and drop it in the comments. I don't know. So then add in a tablespoon of curry powder. These are tongs. I would usually use a spatula for this here, but the spatula is missing too. So there's no chicken, there's no spatula. Mix everything together around the that there. Now, don't worry if I'm talking too fast for you because it's an Irish. I'm from Ireland here. Well, half Chinese. But if I am talking too fast and you're from America and thinking, what the hell is he talking about? Well, I'll leave the full ingredients in the description box below. So I will be out of your hair in 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. That's just some soy sauce I'm adding, and before that it was turmeric powder. Don't worry about the turmeric powder if you don't have it. You don't really need it. It's an acquired taste once you add it with a curry powder anyway. Stir that all around, and we're near it. We'll be done in 1 second. 1 second, wait there. Thank you very much for watching, and who is going to become my 10th member? I will be at somebody's door with my wok and ingredients. Thank you for watching.